8 easy ways to remove dip powder nails at home quickly. Hey there, nail enthusiasts. Tired of paying salon prices to remove your dip powder nails? We've got you covered. Get ready to discover 8 simple and effective methods to remove dip powder at home, saving you time and money. This is the most common and reliable method. You'll need acetone, cotton balls, aluminum foil, and a nail file. Let's get those gorgeous nails back to their natural state. First, gently file the top layer of your dip powder to break the seal. This allows the acetone to penetrate more effectively. Remember, be gentle. Next, soak cotton balls in acetone and place them on each nail. Wrap each finger tightly with aluminum foil to keep the cotton in place and trap the heat. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes. The acetone will break down the dip powder. Check a nail after 15 minutes to see if the powder is lifting. Finally, remove the foil and cotton. Gently push off any remaining dip powder with a cuticle pusher. Moisturize your nails and cuticles afterward. This method is gentler on your nails and skin. You'll need a bowl of warm water, acetone, a smaller bowl, and a nail file. It's a great option for sensitive skin. File the top layer of your dip powder to break the seal. This step is crucial for any removal method. Don't skip it. Pour acetone into the smaller bowl and place it inside the bowl of warm water. This creates a gentle warming effect. Soak your nails in the acetone for 20 to 30 minutes. The warm water helps the acetone work faster. Be patient. Gently push off the softened dip powder with a cuticle pusher. Rehydrate your nails with cuticle oil. This is a creative way to warm the acetone. You'll need a rice bag, acetone, cotton balls, aluminum foil, and a nail file. Get ready for a cozy removal experience. Heat the rice bag in the microwave for a minute or 2. Make sure it's warm, not scalding. Safety first. File the top layer of your dip powder. You know the drill by now. Follow the same steps as the classic soak-off method, but place your hands on the warm rice bag while you wait. The heat will speed up the process. Remove the foil and cotton and gently push off the remaining dip powder. Don't forget to moisturize. This method requires a bit more skill. You'll need an electric nail file with a sanding band and cuticle oil. Proceed with caution. Carefully file away the dip powder with the electric nail file. Use a low speed and avoid touching your natural nail. Practice makes perfect. Once most of the dip powder is removed, soak your nails in acetone for a few minutes to remove any residue. This will ensure a clean finish. Apply cuticle oil to rehydrate your nails. This is essential after using an electric file. While tempting, peeling off dip powder can severely damage your nails. We strongly advise against this method. It can weaken your nails and cause them to become brittle. If you absolutely must peel, soak your nails in warm water first to soften the dip powder. This will minimize the damage. Gently peel off the dip powder, being careful not to tear your natural nail. Follow up with a generous amount of cuticle oil. This method requires a partner. You'll need dental floss, a cuticle pusher, and someone to help you. Teamwork makes the dream work. Use the cuticle pusher to gently lift the edge of the dip powder. Create a small gap between the dip powder and your natural nail. Have your partner carefully slide the dental floss underneath the dip powder using a sawing motion. This will separate the dip powder from your nail. Apply cuticle oil to your nails and cuticles. This will help to soothe and hydrate your nails. This is a natural alternative to acetone. You'll need white vinegar, cotton balls, aluminum foil, and a nail file. It's a slower process, but gentler. File the top layer of your dip powder. This is a must, even with vinegar. Soak cotton balls in white vinegar and place them on each nail. Wrap with aluminum foil. Soak for 30 to 45 minutes. Vinegar is less potent than acetone, so it takes longer. Gently push off the softened dip powder. Moisturize your nails thoroughly. Sometimes, the best method is simply waiting. As your nails grow, the dip powder will naturally lift. This is the least damaging option. Keep your nails moisturized with cuticle oil. This will help to prevent them from drying out and becoming brittle. Gently trim the lifted edges of the dip powder as they appear. Avoid picking or peeling. Eventually, the dip powder will come off on its own. This may take a few weeks, but it's worth it for healthy nails. Ready to ditch the salon and become a dip powder removal pro? Try these methods and let us know which one works best for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more DIY beauty tips, and share this with your fellow nail-obsessed friends. Click the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Happy dipping and removing!